Hey guys, sorry for the glare. I'm coming to y'all with this clock that I bought at Ross, and it was $11.99, and I had like a idea that I want to do that I can hang in my nail shop, and I wanted to design it with some nails, and I think I'm gonna use some stamping. And I just thought, just because they had these little things around here, I can actually attach the nails to this and design a nail and attach it to this. And I think that was really would have been, I think it's going to really turn out nice. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, guys. Try to keep it as short as I can, but I can't guarantee you that. Um, but hey, I'm going to start with the stamping on 12, the stamping design on 12 false nails, and I'm going to be using this polish right here by Clean Color. I have some matte, I have some neons with the gloss, and I also have some other one, about two of them by Navy. I think it's Navy gel, but it's not gel polish. It actually, you don't need a lamp for those. And I have the Clean Colors neon colors, and I'm going to do all of these colors. I got 12 colors here that I'm going to stamp with. So what I'm going to do first, guys, I'm going to go ahead and polish the 12 nails with these colors right here. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished all 12 sticks that you see here, all different colors, very bright. I want this to show up on those clock hands. Okay, like I said, I'm going to stamp all these. And then we're going to decorate them a little bit. I didn't know if I want to do decals or if I want to just go for it. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes to where I have to repolish. But if that's the case, I don't mind doing that. I want this to look very nice, very pretty for everybody to see hanging up on my wall. Okay, I picked out some stamping plates. I picked out like 10 stamping plates, and I wasn't quite sure about the designs I want to put on here, but I want it to be very simple, very eye-catching. So we're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to start off with this plate right here, and it's this Uwajik plate, and I'm going to use this design right here, and I'm going to start right here. I don't know if you see all the nails, but hopefully you can see all the nails. But I don't think you can see this one right here, starting with this orange. But this is the first one I'm going to do, and this is the color that I'm going to use on there. And this is a matte color. And it's by Clean Colors, and it's matte. I bought these in a set at Ross, so Berry Twist. So you might can get these individual, I don't know, but it's matte. And it's got, like I said, it came in a pack, so you know, you probably can buy them individual. But I'm going to stomp white on this nail here. And I'm going to go ahead and set these to a side. And I'm going to work one at a time with these. I'm going to use the white MDU polish. I'm not going to use too many different random colors. It's pretty much just going to probably be white, black, and probably green for some leaves. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use this as my swiping back end so I won't get polish everywhere. Like I said, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the clear stamper so I can make sure I plan it on correctly. Hopefully that thing works for me today. I like very much. I think I'm going to put rhinestones at the bottom of this nail. I want to keep it kind of high up. So that's number one down. I want to use the Moyu London Tropical Collection plate right here. And I want to use this right here. See if I can get that up right there. And I'm going to use two different colors and see if I can do the green up here and the white down there. No, the black. I'm sorry. Let me take that off. I don't want that in there. And hopefully I can get it all, because I want it to kind of... Ah! The parrot came out very nice, but you know what? I'm going to leave it. Because it really don't look bad with that right there. That did not come off, maybe because I waited too long. But I will see if I can. Oh, I really like that. That parrot came out really nice. And whatever touch-ups I need to do, I can just do with the little black, which is right there. Really don't look bad with just those little things there. Wonder if I can put some diamonds over there to cover that up. I got a little green in his scalp, which I'm gonna, in his little forehead, which I'm gonna clean up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this, y'all. And I'll put some rhinestones on there. Fix it up. When you make mistakes, fix it up, okay? And I think that's what I'm gonna do. And it's this one. I know this one's gonna be challenging with straight lines, so I'm sorry, not this one. This one. I want to do this right here on this Bundle Master plate. Bundle Master XL26, and I'm going to do this wave right here in white. I wish it would have came up over here a little bit, but that's okay, because I do have it all the way on the side over here. Nail came out pretty good. Very pretty. I like that. Okay, I'll put this to the side. I'll start on another one. And now I want to start with this green one. And I want to do this snake skin right here. I think this is very pretty. I'm going to do it in black. And this is a Bundle Monster XL08. And I want to do this image right here. It's like a snake skin. I know I want that little tip right there. And I want to push down. Oh, perfect. I need to lay these boogers down. Anything that needs to be spotted up, I will do it. But, hey, I like, very much so. Okay, moving on. See. I'm going to use this Saint Love Place by Go-Go only. And I'll be using this one right here. This is not a matte, but it's a clean color. No, this is actually Nobi gel. Nobi gel, and it's coral. Okay, very nice. Came up very nice. Don't want that in there. Okay, keep it planted. My hearts. Let's see how I want these hearts. It doesn't really matter. But that's not bad. I didn't get a full heart, but that's okay. That don't look bad. I got these hearts right here. I think I like it. I think I like it. So we're going to keep that one. Put that aside and let's keep moving on. Okay, unfortunately I have a green here. So let's clean that off right here. I wonder if, I think I'm going to use like some leaves or something with the green. Let's see what I have. I got this St. Mary Go Only. I think I want to use this unicorn right here. But it's going to show up green. So I think I want green. I really wanted that. That's pretty. I mean seahorse. Why I say unicorn? Ah ha ha! Seahorse, y'all. Bet y'all up there like dummy. Okay. Look how pretty that is. Okay, let me get it on his finger before I like lose all control. Oh my God, y'all, look how pretty that came out. Oh my God. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, moving on. See, I got my groove back on how to stamp these now. Don't hold it in your hand, guys. Put it down on the table. Put it down on the table and press down where you want it. That's what I'm talking about. You have to just get with the, see what works for you, you know. I was holding it in my hand at first and that just wasn't doing it. I ain't had no stability. Okay, we put that to the side. Oh Lord, wiping these plates is gonna be hectic. Okay, this is a matte color also, and it is also by Clean Colors. And it's actually this color right here, very pretty, and it is Fashion District. I'm gonna use this plate right here, and I think I want these ladies right here. This ladies with the faces. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it in black. And this is a Go Only Happy, Saint Happy by Go Only. And this one right here I'm going to do in black. Look at that, pretty. Girls, gents, I'm getting my groove on now. Stamping like a stamping queen. Good, when you're on a roll, you on a roll. Get a routine together and it's on. Okay. Next, I'm going to do this yellow, and I think I want some bumblebees on that one. Wouldn't that be good with some bumblebees? So I'm going to use the Cheeky Plate, Jumbo Plate number 9, the Wild at Heart, and I'm going to use these beads right here in black. Right there. Okay. Let's see if I can get these little bees on this little sucker here. Okay, I'm not going to be able to get one side of that. Uh-oh. Which is that one right there. But that's fine. I'm going to put another bead somewhere on there. I'm going to take that bead off because I knew I wasn't going to be able to angle it because I had it laying flat. So I'm going to take that one little bead off of there. And my little... And all I do is just see if I can take it off. Yeah, it came off. See how that came off? And I'm going to put a bead right there. Y'all, this mansion sticky. Ooh, it's awesome. I'm telling you, I like it. Use that one right there. See if I can swipe a little bit of this on here. Yeah, that's all I need. Oh, probably one more, huh? Oh, I'm finna mess up. I better not. Oh, but that little boogie looks so cute right there. See if I can get it. If it'll let me. Yeah, it did. Look at that. I think that's nice. Okay. That one down. Very nice. Very cute. Okay, moving along. Okay, I have this red one right here. I think I'm going to put Keep Calm, Love. Keep Calm and Love Life. I think I'm going to put that in black on this one right here. Or should I do white, guys? Black is show it better. Keep Calm and Love Life. I think that's what I want. That right there. Okay. Keep Calm and Have Fun. I think Keep Calm and Love Life is better. I think I'm going to do it in white. Oh, words are so hard to pick up and plant. But I'm making this a challenge for myself. But hey. Just don't think about it. Stamp. Don't think about it, guys. Just stamp. Just don't think about it. Just stamp it. Pretty. Yay. Okay. Let's go with this purple. What am I going to put down for that purple? Okay, let's see. I want to do my initials, guys. I want to do D-E-E. Okay, that's the D. 2 E's. Right under that. I'm not sure. Oh my God, I can't see. Oh, I did it! My E is kind of crooked, but that's okay. I got my initials on one of them. D. Oh, I like. And it's not bad that second one is even, because, you know, I'm going to put some rhinestones on that. Okay, that's done. 2 more to go, y'all. That was challenging. Like I said, I'm going to go back to that first plate that I had originally had. And I think it's this one right here. And I think I want to use this right here. I'm not sure. I'm just going to use these right here. Simple, sweet, and easy in black. This black, this right here, it's going to go down on it. And this actually is a Nobi polish, and it's teal. It's by Nobi Gel. Very pretty, came out. Okay, last one, guys, and this is pink. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably, I ain't got no butterflies here, so I guess I'll do the butterflies right here in black. This one right here. And this is the Herbal Cheek Plate. That is beautiful. Very pretty. Pick up. And that was Wet n Wild. And that's neon pink. I know I didn't show y'all all the colors. But let's start blinging these nails out. I'm just going to put rhinestones on here, guys. I'm not going to be all jazzy with it. Just rhinestones on some of them. And I'll top coat that to let it dry. I'm just bling this out for y'all. Do some little touch-ups on some stuff that I need some little paint, you know. Like that. The only one that really looks terrible is, I think, is this parrot. And I'm just going to give me some black paint. And I'm going to go over what I said that I need to be done with that. I'm going to bling these out. And I'll be right back and show you how they look, okay? And then we're going to attach them to the clock. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, this is the final look of the clock. I'm trying to show you the whole thing, but I'm not going to be able to do that. Okay. I think it turned out alright. What I did with these right here, I just stuck some tape on there, some duct tape on the back of it, and smashed it down. Because if I want to change the nails out, I won't have to try to pry it off. So I just put tape underneath it and stuck it to the nail. And I did some little rhinestones here. Hope you can see it. Just gonna go around the thing and show you how it looks. It's kind of smash it down too good, but I didn't want to crack my my gel polish I put on there by squeezing it. I think I did one for doing that, so I learned my lesson. I think it turned out really nice. I'm going to smash this one down. My rhinestones wasn't all the way dry. That parakeet show came out nice, didn't it? Okay, we're back to the beginning. I wanted to show y'all the middle piece of it that I made. I just added some rhinestones to it. Just gonna give y'all a close-up, show y'all how it look in the middle. I just added a rhinestone there. And I just added some rhinestones to the end of the things. And I added some little triangle rhinestones all the way around on each hand. Alright, guys, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until next time, guys, y'all have a smiley day. Bye now.